Hi, this is Dr. Gitanjali, and I have my clinic in Andheri, Mumbai, and I'm a holistic healer. And today we are going to have one more demo on family constellation, a live demo on how family constellation helps us in various issues. And I have my client out here, Abhishek Hemnani, who has agreed to be a demo for all of you so that it can help you in case you want to resolve some of your issues. And let me ask him what is it that he wants to work on today.
Hello, Dr. Gitanjali. Thank you for having me here. Today, actually, I would like to work on my weight.
Okay.
I've been trying a lot to lose my weight. I've been practicing diets. I've been going to the gym, cycling, everything I've tried. But it's really difficult for me to lose this weight.
Okay.
So I've come here today to seek help.
Okay, that's very nice, Abhishek. So thank you so much, Abhishek, for sharing that आपका weight is an issue. People don't understand, but actually weight is also related to mind. As much as it is related to body, it is also related to mind. So if there is something in the environment which makes you insecure, or there is a lot of anger or depression, it comes up as the weight in your body. And if I would say आपका जो बॉडी वेट है वो काफ़ी शोल्डर्स पे है, चेस्ट पे है, स्टमक पे है. So now these are areas which have specific issues. So suppose if मैं आपके shoulders का देखूंगी तो उसमें you feel very very responsible. It's as if a huge burden of responsibilities kept on you, and this is kind of becoming more bulky, and because it's around your hands also. If I see, so hands also is a lot of energy is there which you want to just maybe fight it out, and it is not being done. Plus if I see it's on the stomach, so stomach is also one area where you are not completely happy and you're not completely feeling very confident about yourself. Plus it could also be some kind of guilt issues in your stomach which is creating this kind of problem. So we will definitely also, I have worked with clients for their weight issues and they have seen a shift. But let me tell you at the onset only, Abhishek, that एक सेशन में नहीं होगा. आज हम ऑफ कोर्स एक सेशन हमारे क्लाइंट्स के लिए कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको थोड़े सेशंस के लिए आना पड़ेगा रेगुलरली. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज शिफ्ट एज यू डू योर डाइट. हम आपके माइंड को शिफ्ट करेंगे कि यू आर 20 kgs लाइटर, एंड बिकॉज ये फाइल हम माइंड में डालेंगे कि यू आर 20 kgs लाइटर, द माइंड विल स्टार्ट an auto program in which it will create that reality for you in which you are 20 kgs lighter. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Kind of, but I would really like to see this happen.
Yeah. So let's now just start and let's see. We are working out. We are doing this therapy with Abhishek, and I really hope that after 3 to 6 months there is a shift in Abhishek's body weight. So Abhishek, as we discussed कि आपको आपके weight पे काम करना है, तो Mayur is there, Kruti is there, and Riddhi is there. They are going to take parts of your personalities and see the reason why you're not losing weight in spite of doing the exercise, in spite of dieting, in spite of everything. And once we release the reason for your mind to hold on to the extra weight, we will introduce a lesser weight. So पहले आपको मयूर को अभिषेक बनाना है. कृति will be your current weight, जो आपका आज का current weight है. और ये जो ये रहेंगी रिद्धि will play your weight which is maybe 20-25 kgs down, because हमको shift करना है धीरे धीरे. हमें suddenly drastically 120 से 70 kgs नहीं डाल सकती हूँ. So from the current weight to 100 would be, sorry, the current weight to maybe 20-25 kgs lighter, we will put it and then we will go ahead. Okay? Yeah. So Abhishek, now these people out here, they are known as participants. ये आपके energies लेंगे, आपका current weight लेंगे और आपका ideal weight लेंगे. So one person will play you, one person your current weight, one person your ideal weight. ठीक है? And then we will find out why is your mind holding on to a weight. Once the mind understands it does not need to hold to a weight, it will let go. And you will automatically start seeing a shift. A slow shift, a fast shift, it all depends, but definitely you will see a shift. Okay? So let's do one thing. Mayur, can you please stand here? Yeah. And Kruti, this is Kruti. Hi, this is Kruti. Abhishek, अभी आप है ना इसको बोलो you are Abhishek and place this person in the matrix.
You are Akshay. You are my current weight. And you are my ideal weight.
Element 1. What do you feel? What do you report? What is happening?
So the moment I took the energy, I started feeling pain in my lower back.
Okay.
My feet started burning,
Hmm.
and I'm feeling too much bloating in my stomach, and my vision is getting blurred.
Okay.
Secondly, I am pushing element 2 and element 3 away from me
Hmm.
because I feel I need my own space.
So I need space. Okay. So what I'm able to understand from this is that you need space and you're pushing them away because you still want more space. Okay. So Abhishek, क्या आपको अपनी लाइफ में स्पेस एक इशू है?
Yes.
So do you understand the first message of this constellation कि you are putting on, so since आपको अपनी लाइफ में जहाँ आपका घर है, जहाँ आपके लोग हैं, आपकी फैमिली है, उनमें स्पेस नहीं मिल रहा है, आप अपना बॉडी का वजन बढ़ा रहे हैं to occupy space. That's the first thing and that's very very of primary importance out here. ठीक है? Secondly, there is a lower back pain. तो आपको lower back pain होता है क्या? Lower back pain नहीं होता है. पैरों में जलन होती है? पैरों में जलन होती नहीं. Any of
Bloating, yes. And blurry vision, yes.
Okay, तो blurry vision है आपको और bloating है. The remaining symptoms are not. You don't feel they are yours. Okay. So bloating आपको कितना, मतलब bloating आप कुछ you eat anything और bloating होता है कि कब से कितनी टाइम से bloating हो रहा है?
I always feel very heavy.
Okay, you feel heavy.
Yes.
Okay, fine. When you look at this current weight, तभी आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling okay.
हाँ. Just go towards the current weight.
I'm feeling comfortable here.
You're feeling comfortable. If you notice, Abhishek, this person element 1 has said I feel comfortable. तो current weight के साथ आपका mind बहुत comfortable है. अभी I'm going to ask him to go to the ideal weight. Go to the ideal weight.
I'm not able to move only.
So the person is stuck. The way you are stuck with your current weight, ये आपके ideal weight की तरफ move ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. इसीलिए आपका जो mind है वो बहुत stuck है current. और इसकी वजह से आपकी shifting नहीं हो रही है in spite of all the diets. हाँ. So now do you want to stand here or do you want to go back to your place?
I'm okay at my own space.
Space is very important. हाँ. आप देखो बताओ मुझे कि space का क्या issue है. Okay, participant number 2. There is a lot of anxiety. आपके जो movements हैं.
The time I've taken this energy, my whole body is getting numb. I have lot of abdominal churning, and this whole numbness is because of the fear. I have lot of fear. I am very much feared. I cannot look at element 1. I am feeling very fearful looking at him. And when he came near to me, my mind was full of fear.
Mind is full of fear.
Yes, and everything is shivering
Shivering.
because of fear.
आपको fear महसूस करते हैं आप?
Anxiety, yes.
Anxiety you have.
Yes, lot of
Okay.
anxiety.
So if you see ये पूरे के पूरे आप अपने हाथ
Yeah,
अपने आप
it's
ही
very cold.
you know you are not, she's not able to stop it. So there is anxiety here, there is fear here, there is numbness here.
No.
Anything else is coming to
I'm
your
feeling
mind?
dizzy. I feel like I'll fall down.
So
If
why
I-
don't you fall down?
No, then I'll get injured.
Then I'll get injured.
I don't want to fall down, but I am not able to keep myself steady. Also, my legs are also, I have tremors.
So there is a lot of ungroundedness now here. You are feeling very ungrounded. Lot of security is an issue out here.
And I feel I need lot of support.
You need lot of support. Okay. इससे पता चल जाता है कितना तुझे experience है.
5 crore check.
Rolling. Start.
Okay. So now element 3. What are you feeling? She is feeling numb, fear. What are you feeling?
I have lot of body pain,
Lot of body pain,
headache, acute headache I have,
acute headache, body
and
pain.
lower back pain, unbearable lower back pain. I'm not able to stand straight.
तो अभिषेक जो समझ में आ रहा है वो ये समझ में आ रहा है कि आपका जो वेट गेन है, इट इज बिकॉज यू फील सो सपोर्टलेस, देर इज नो ग्राउंडिंग, देर इज नो न्यूट्रिशन कमिंग इन, यू आर जस्ट सो अनग्राउंडेड दैट आपका बॉडी इज इंक्रीजिंग इन द साइज, लॉट ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी, सपोर्टलेसनेस, बहुत ज़्यादा ये इश्यूज, ये इमोशनल इश्यूज के वजह से, और हेडेक भी है। तो एक और चीज़ पूछनी थी कि आपके मदर पेरेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज अ कॉन्स्टलेशन। कॉन्स्टलेशन मीन्स द क्लाइंट इज देयर, द क्लाइंट के पेरेंट्स होते हैं, पेरेंट्स के पेरेंट्स होते हैं, और उनके पेरेंट्स होते हैं। ये सारे के सारे आपके वजन पे या आपके कोई भी इशू पे इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं। तो अभिषेक, एनीबडी वाज हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ weight in your family, and did anyone had any kind of anxiety या headache या lower back pain? आपकी कोई भी ancestor, आपके दादा दादी, मदर फादर, नाना नानी?
Weight, so no, everyone is proper. But headache, yes, my mother has a lot of headache and migraine issues.
Okay. So your mother has a lot of headaches. So I think so. Your current ideal weight has somewhere shifted to the energies of your mother. And is your mother the one who keeps on telling you to reduce your weight?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So basically you want to reduce the weight. What is I am getting it that you are wanting to reduce your weight for your mother. But there is some issue with your mother only, the mother figure. Okay. So if तो आपके इसमें like see कि आपके mother के अंदर क्या issue है जिसकी वजह से उनको इतना migraine और उनको इतना headache होता है. There is a lot of confusion in her mind. Yeah.
So I also have the fear of first both elements.
You fear them.
Lot of fear. So the moment element 1 came little bit near to element 2, I was like something will go wrong with me.
Okay.
And I'm not able to see straight. I'm just focusing on the ground. I'm not able to see straight. I'm
You're
like-
focusing on the ground. Ground में क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
I'm seeing lot of blood here.
You're seeing lot of blood here. अभिषेक, आपकी हिस्ट्री में कोई भी आपके एंसेस्टर्स कोई एक्सीडेंट से एक्सपायर हुए या कोई सुसाइड या मर्डर, कोई ऐसी अननेचुरल डेथ है किसी की भी?
Suicide.
सुसाइड है
हाँ.
किसकी?
My nana.
आपके नाना जी ने सुसाइड किया. ओके. किस तरह से सुसाइड किया?
I think he ingested cyanide.
He ingested cyanide. Okay. Does anything happen to you when?
Not able to stand.
So you want to sit. So she's following the movement. She's sitting down. When she sits down, क्या हुआ आपको?
My shoulder has started
So I'm
feeling
going to
very bad.
introduce one more element, Bobby. Abhishek, introduce this lady as your Nana ji. Nana ji का नाम क्या था?
Tolaram Dhingra.
तोलाराम ढिंगरा. तो इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करो तोलाराम ढिंगरा की तरह. प्लीज लाई डाउन.
You are Tolaram Dhingra.
सो मैट्रिक्स में हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है अभिषेक नाना, द मैटरनल ग्रैंडफादर, बिकॉज दिस द आइडियल वेट शिफ्टेड टू द मदर, हिज मदर्स एनर्जी, एंड शी इज ग्रीविंग फॉर द डेथ ऑफ द फादर बिकॉज द her father, which is Abhishek's maternal grandfather, because he committed suicide by ingesting cyanide. So lot of insecurity. How old was your mother when this happened?
I think this was 92, so she must have been 23, 24.
So you were not
Mine.
born.
No, I was not born.
So basically, your current age is
Current
23,
age
24.
yes.
Okay. So there is lot of insecurity. अगर हम देखें बॉबी, आपकी insecurity आपकी नहीं है. That's the first good thing कि बॉबी की insecurity, बॉबी की supportlessness, इनका numbness सब आपका नहीं है, आपकी मदर से आपके पास आ रहा है. So जो आपका नहीं है आप वापस दे सकते हैं और आप अपने ideal weight पे जा सकते हैं. Basically हमारा ये है focus है कि we have to get you to your ideal weight, right? Okay. As the element 1, as the element of Abhishek, आप में क्या फर्क पड़ा जब आपके नाना जी?
So, first I felt there is a pain in my feet, but before that, I was just feeling.
The bloating in your stomach actually comes from here because he ingested cyanide. Stomach का जो आपका issue है, जिसकी वजह से शायद जो भी आप खाते हैं वो digest भी नहीं हो रहा है, is coming from the nana. So that is the issue out here. हाँ.
And secondly, I am feeling like I'm not able to stop my cravings. Sometimes I feel craving after 9 in the night. And
आपको
I,
नाइटली
yes.
आपके नाना जी की डेथ क्या किस समय हुई थी, क्या टाइम था?
Time I don't know, but I know for a fact it was night.
सो एक और चीज है, एक पैटर्न अनकॉन्शियस पैटर्न प्ले कर रहा है. ही डाइड इन द नाइट. आपके जो क्रेविंग्स होते हैं इन खाना, फूड गिव्स यू अ कंफर्ट. तो जो आपकी बॉडी में एंजाइटी, याद है इनके हाथ ऐसे थे एंजाइटी कि मैं क्या करूं, दिस इज ऑल योर मदर दैट शी डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. सो दिस एंजाइटी व्हिच इज देयर एंड दैट क्रेविंग इज एक्चुअली योर नाइट का कि व्हेन योर. सो दिस इज आई थिंक सो. आपने मुझे बोला भी कि आपको दिन में भूख नहीं लगती, आपको रात में मिलती है. तो देयर इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप ऑफ योर वेट, योर एक्स्ट्रा वेट टू योर डेथ, द सुसाइड ऑफ योर नाना जी. ओके.
somewhere I'm feeling I am carrying the insecurity a lot about each and everything.
Can you just look at her and say, I want to support you,
I want to support you,
mother,
mother,
and because of this,
and because of this,
I'm gaining weight.
I'm gaining weight.
हाँ. As element 3, आपको कुछ बोलना है?
I want to run away from here. It's too much. I'm not able to handle this at all.
Okay. So running away metaphorically also is a kind of depression. So you put on weight. Okay. And the more you stay, she wants to run away. She can't do that. That kind of stuck feeling is also giving the weight. The weight is not moving. Okay. You want to run away, but what stops you from running away? हाँ. क्या बोलना है आपको?
I'm fearful.
You want to reach out to your daughter?
I'm fearful.
The daughter is fearful. Okay.
I don't want to follow.
नहीं follow नहीं. She wants to reach out.
I have lot of unresolved things to do.
Lot of
To say.
unresolved things with your daughter.
Yeah, I want to say a lot of things.
Okay.
So that there is a lot of unfinished business here.
हाँ.
So I'm not stable here.
Oh, so you are not stable.
Yes.
आप तीनों में से किसके साथ ही ज़्यादा connected हैं?
मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा है उनको देख के. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल एंड रेस्टलेस आफ्टर सीइंग एनर्जीज.
I'm just feeling I'm connected 30 to 40%, not more than that.
Okay. Okay.
I want to reach out to my daughter.
You want to reach out to your daughter. So tell her, daughter, I want to reach out to you.
Daughter, I want to reach out to you.
So the way moment he is saying this, my body pain is going away, but my headache is increasing. I'm more fearful.
You're fearful of your own father,
I'm fearful of the dead body.
of the dead body. What do you mean by that?
I'm becoming numb. I'm becoming stiff, and I can't see him like this. Can never see him like this.
So can you say, father, it's difficult to accept your death?
Father, it's difficult to accept your death.
So for a moment, can you just get up and talk to your daughter?
My soles have started paining.
Soles have started paining. There's a lot of ungroundedness. आपके feet or the soles अगर देखो, सब लोग ungrounded feet हो रहे हैं, इसीलिए आपका इतना वजन बढ़ रहा है. और जब तक आपका ये reason नहीं जाएगा, आपका वजन कम नहीं होगा.
Also has a lot of guiltiness.
हाँ, because ये cyanide करके गए ना, so even though you were not born, Abhishek, yet the trauma carries through the generation. So from your mother, the trauma has been carried to you. In order to cope with that loss, somewhere you are putting on weight to just because support your mother.
So I want to tell her, I want the comfort from her. I just want to.
You want to lie down?
Yes, in her lap.
I can't carry this burden.
And I'm feeling so good over here.
So was your mother very close to her father?
Yes, very much.
So I just want
I
her
think
to
you're carrying this
comfort
load
me.
for your mother. Can you look at your mother and say, I stopped carrying it for you?
I stopped carrying it for you. I stopped carrying it for you.
I'm getting frozen shoulder.
I'm not
Does your mother have
comfortable.
frozen shoulder?
No.
Do you have? But आपके shoulders काफी heavy हो गए.
Yes.
I'm just stuck here. My burden is increasing. My
Legs are
body
becoming very
numbness is
heavy.
increasing.
That's what he said. मेरे को heaviness लगती है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
My body
Okay.
is becoming heavy.
Tell-
When she rejects me, I feel uncomfortable.
So say, I'm not rejecting you. You
I'm
rejected
not.
life.
I'm not rejecting you. You rejected life.
And when you rejected life,
And when you rejected life,
you rejected me.
you rejected me.
How does that feel?
I could express.
So when you rejected life, you rejected me.
Oh, I could express that. Suddenly my anxiety is gone.
Yes.
मेरा
When
भी
you
आया.
look at your son and say, I want you to accept life.
I want you to accept life.
And when you accept life,
And when you accept life,
you will reach the ideal weight.
you will reach the ideal weight.
Somewhere I'm doing, I'm mimicking my mother. So when she is in the depression, I take that depression.
So her depression you are taking and you are putting on weight. So can you say the depression is the death of the father. Now in order to release this depression, your grandfather and your mother needs to lie down. Okay? Are you feeling better?
Yeah, much better.
Much better. The current weight is feeling much better.
The same way I'm mimicking the mother. The way she is sitting and the way she is talking, I'm just mimicking her.
So Mayur, so how old was your grandfather? You don't know Abhishek, but if you say your mother was 20 to 23, then approximately आपके grandfather 50 से 55 के बीच में होंगे, right? When he committed suicide.
Possible.
Possible. So, element 1. Can you look at element 4 now and say, I stop following you.
I stop following you.
And I stop passively trying to, making an effort to commit suicide.
I stop passively making efforts to commit suicide.
So, passively आप ये सुसाइड कर रहे हो, अपनी बॉडी को इतना वजन कर रहे हो कि थोड़े टाइम बाद जब आप 50-55 के होंगे, आपके बॉडी ऑर्गन्स या इट्स अ पॉसिबिलिटी, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हो सकता है, बट आप डिजीजेस क्रिएट करोगे अपनी बॉडी में, तो वो हमें स्टॉप करना है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? जैसे ये एक्चुअल सुसाइड था, ये पैसिव सुसाइड हो रहा है. Okay.
I'm feeling lighter the moment I express.
हाँ, so say I stop following you.
I stop following you.
And look at the mother and say, I stop
I stop
becoming your father.
becoming your father.
I'm just a child.
I'm just a child.
So I'm ready to take life from you and nutrition.
I'm ready to take life from you and the nutrition.
I give you this.
Feeling better?
Much better.
So much of anxiety की वजह से तुम खा रहे हो या तुम ये कर रहे हो. Now can we now first lie down with the grandfather? Abhishek, your mother did not grieve completely for her father. So she was carrying that grief, and that grief was, the coping was depression. That's why your mother said, I want to run away. So the coping is depression. When you are depressed, you tend to put on a lot of body weight. So your mother's unhealed inner child at 20 to 23 is a lot present in your current body and is giving rise to this weight. Okay, depression is running away, and because you don't want to, you're again wanting to support your mother. This feeling is giving you the weight gain, is giving you a lot of depression. So after this constellation, there's a very strong possibility that you may just see that आपका एंजाइटी जो खाने की है, जो पैटर्न है रात को खाने का, वो कम हो जाएगा. Okay, you will not feel that insecurity the moment. So you can grieve. Look here and you can grieve. How is the current weight feeling?
Feeling much better. Very good.
When the process of grieving is complete, both of them will get up on their own when they feel comfortable. This is how the grieving happens. Abhishek's mother did not grieve, so this process is allowing her to finish the unfinished grieving 25-30 years back. Now can both of you stand and say, Father, when you rejected life,
Father, when you rejected life,
I felt you rejected me also.
I felt you rejected me also.
I stopped receiving from you.
I stopped receiving from you.
I'm ready to receive now.
I'm ready to receive now.
I bless you
I bless you
and I'm connected to you
and I am connected to you
wherever I am.
wherever I am.
I want to receive your blessings, your love
And life.
and life.
I'm ready to thrive in life.
I'm ready to thrive in life. Thank you so much for giving me the biggest gift of life.
Now can the blessings which you have received, can you just give it to your
Bless you.
son?
I bless you, son.
May I give you life
I give you life
and I want you to make something out of it.
and I want you to make something out of it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So now as a grandfather, you can leave the matrix. What is the current weight feeling?
I am feeling very good. All my anxiety, all my fear, everything has gone.
Numbness has gone.
Numbness has gone, and what I was feeling uncomfortable, that feeling has also gone. I'm feeling really very relaxed.
So can you see now the current weight or can you see yourself your ideal weight? Where do you
I
want to
feel
go?
connected.
इनिशियली आप ये वेट को फेंक रहे थे, आपने कहा कि मैं दोनों को हटा रहा हूँ अपने पास से, मुझे स्पेस चाहिए.
Even I feel like moving towards
Yes,
Ajmal.
So
I feel
I
that
want you to
too.
move towards and आप थोड़े
And
पीछे आ
I
जाओ.
am going back.
हाँ, so going back करके आप इधर आ जाइए.
Yes.
Go back.
I feel
Stand
that
outside the
connected.
matrix. You can stand here. Yeah. So Abhishek, I want you to come here. And now please understand, this is playing your part. So you now hold the hand of the ideal body weight. Element 1, go and touch his hand from before. From behind. Give this energy to the
Yes, I'm connected.
ideal weight. So basically understand, even though she was portrayed as your mother, this was all your anxiety which was being portrayed, which went back to the age when your mother lost the child. Sorry, when your mother lost her father. So much of insecurity. तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि वेट इनसिक्योरिटी होता है. जैसे इनसिक्योरिटी आपके लाइफ से निकलेगी, आपका वेट कम हो जाएगा. Okay? So now can you now take your ideal body weight?
Yes.
Good. Thank you so much. So Abhishek, if you noticed that there was a lot of anxiety, there was a lot of insecurity. So all the insecurity your mother felt when the father died. That means when her father died, Tola Ramji, when he died. All this insecurity through your genes genetically has been passed on to you, and in order to combat that, you are putting on weight. That is one issue. Second issue is you don't have space in your house. That is also the reason you are becoming hefty, to get more space in your house. And the third thing which I was thinking is lot of depression your mother went through, which also has been passed on to you. So that is also a reason of your weight gain. So in spite of doing everything, yet you are not able to reduce your weight. One more thing which was very interesting was when you said that you are not able to, one more thing which was interesting is कि your grandfather died at the night and आपको रात को ही hunger pangs होते हैं. तो एक unconscious anxiety आपकी मदर के थ्रू आप तक पहुंचती है, where to आप खाना शुरू करते हैं रात को, जबकि आपको पता है अच्छी तरीके से कि you require to eat less at night and eat more during the day, right? So you're doing completely opposite. एंड बट वो हंगर पैंग्स वो एंजाइटी से हो रहे हैं, रात का वक्त वो सेम चीज़ें, सेम माहौल, कहीं ना कहीं even though you were not there when your grandfather died, this is what is the beauty of a constellation. कि events which are 25 years back, 50 years back, 100 years back still affect us, affect our genetic makeup, affect the choices that we make in life, affect our relationships, affect our health, affect our finances, affect our money. So everything can be resolved. Now today you have done a constellation. I would request you to do a second constellation after 15-20 days. Do a minimum of 5 constellations and you will automatically start seeing the shift that you are able to reduce your weight with the same amount of dieting and the same amount of exercise. Means you will start seeing results. Okay? And of course it is going to take a longer time for you to reduce your weight. But I really hope we are there with you on this journey and we will keep on seeing that what else can we do to help you. एक जो चीज़ मैंने जो start, one more thing which I want you to get into, one more thing which I want to tell you is that the element 1 Mayur Oza, he said that मुझे पेट में bloating हो रही है, and you said your grandfather died with a cyanide. So जो ये है अपना stomach है, stomach is carrying a lot of undigested material and that is what is also causing the bloating and you agreed कि हाँ मुझे bloating होती है and आपने देखा है constellation में एक टाइम में सब बोलते बहुत heavy है, बहुत heavy है, बहुत legs बहुत दुख रहे हैं, that means पूरा ungrounded हो गया था, आपकी मम्मी पूरी हिल गई जब उन्होंने she lost her father. So that traumatic incident is still affecting your mother also and through your mother it is affecting you also. तो आपका जो माइंड है वो सोच रहा है अगर मैंने बॉडी वेट लूज किया और मैं इतना हो गया तो उतनी एंजाइटी जो अभी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ योर बॉडी वेट, अगर आप वो आइडियल वेट पे पहुंचेंगे तो आपको इतनी एंजाइटी महसूस होगी. तो दिस अभिषेक विल हेल्प यू 2 ways. आपकी ये अगर डू यू फील एंजाइटी, यू सेड यू डू,
Yes, I do.
you do feel anxiety. From what time have you started feeling anxiety?
I feel last 1-2 years.
1-2 years से it's increased a lot. So that means anxiety पहले से भी थी और 1-2 years से वो increase भी हो गई है. तो आपके weight के साथ साथ आपकी anxiety भी कम होगी. So it's going to help you 2 ways. Your anxiety will also become less. So many a times when we work on a person's anxiety also, but आपके हमने weight लिया, from your weight your anxiety came into being. So you will mentally start feeling more calmer. When you start feeling calmer mentally, automatically you will eat less. Your body will be more accustomed to your idol. You are welcoming it at that. Okay? Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gitanjali, for this wonderful session. It was very therapeutic. I'm looking forward to more sessions.
So yes, you'll have to come Abhishek for more sessions because as I said, it takes time to see a shift. Maybe 5 sessions or 7 sessions, something like that. But we can work it out in 4-5 months. So definitely. Thank you so much, Bobby. Sorry, thank you so much, Abhishek, for coming. You agreed to let people view this. I'm very, very grateful for that because through you, this video will reach so many people and they will see the benefit. Thank you so
That's
much.
great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
for
Abhishek.
having me.
Yeah. Bye.